everybody, this is Jennifer from Jentle Soaps, and today I thought I'd do an outdoor unboxing. Hey everybody, this is Jennifer from Jentle Soaps, and today I thought I'd do an outdoor unboxing. So I've got Skin Passion from Aisha in Ghana. So I got some soap from a soap maker in Ghana. She has an Etsy shop, and there'll be links below where you can buy her wonderful stuff. I'm so excited. Check out the stamps for all you stamp lovers. This is where it's from. And she is absolutely the nicest person. I might have to find a quieter location. But okay, so hopefully the traffic will cooperate with us. Alright, so what we got in here? So we've got, ooh, that is something, I know what that is. That is a special something just for me. Okay, so they're wrapped in some kind of paper. So let's see what the first one is. Alright. We've got every noisy truck that could possibly go by coming by right now. Alright, so this is Moringa and black soap. So let's open it up and have a look. Ooh, I love her packaging. I bet she's in stores. That's awesome. Good job, Aisha. That is amazing. Okay, let's see. The city's doing some kind of, maybe I can open it up. The reason I'm doing this outside is because she does her videos outside. Oh my goodness, it's nice. Her perfume is very soapy. And we'll see how it works for my skin. It looks absolutely gorgeous. So this is a black soap that's made with sodium hydroxide and ash. So if you watch her videos, she uses ash. And I think cocoa, and let's see what this is. Because I was trying to find potash, and you can't seem to buy it online anymore. I mean, I could buy pearl ash, but I guess this is some of the ash that she burned, which is really cool, that she uses in her soap. So I actually do have some African black soap ash that's authentic here, which is pretty cool. That is really, really cool. So I'll grind that up and use that in my upcoming soap. I am going to get some mango and African black ash soap. So that'll be fun. That'll be super fun. Alright, we'll see you next time. What I got from Aisha from Skin Passion. I'm sitting over here by one of my beehives. So you should see bees flying, but they're not really interested in me, so it'll be fine. So Aisha sent me 2 bars of her Moringa and African black soap, which is really nice. And she also sent me a sample of ash made from cocoa pods and plantains for free, which was really, really nice. Thank you, Aisha. Like I said before, if you couldn't hear me, I want to do this outside because I thought it would be fun. And you shoot all your videos outside, so this is more suitable for your soap. Here we go. Pretty pretties from Skin Passion in Ghana, Africa. Alright, we'll see you guys next time. Bye for now. Click like and subscribe if you'd like to see more content like this from, you know, soapers from around the world. I certainly will be supporting them with my Lush Fund. So my Lush Fund, if you don't know what that is money that I would have spent at Lush, which they're getting some fun stuff, so I may have to do an actual Lush Fund next. But once a month I will highlight a soap maker, buy their stuff, and show it off. This stuff smells great. Thank you, Aisha. See you guys later. Bye for now.